how to change or reset your Pnc debit card PIN online. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can change or reset your Pnc debit card PIN. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to reset your PNC Bank credit card PIN, you have to follow these steps. The first thing that you can do to reset your PNC Bank credit card PIN is call their customer service on this number. Then you'll be able to change your PIN by using the automated service, but you will be required to provide security information like your credit card number and last 4 digits of your SSN. Once the new PIN is set, it becomes effective immediately. Unfortunately, PNC Bank does not allow you to reset your PIN online or at an ATM. So that's how you can change or reset your PNC debit card PIN. That's all for this video.